Your marketing. We're still on WhatsApp, and the good news is that we are wrapping up WhatsApp. So now that we are almost reaching the end of WhatsApp, I can't wait for us to enter Facebook. In Facebook, you see a whole lot of things. Okay. So what are we going to learn today on WhatsApp? Today, I want us to learn how we can automate all our business. Remember, the goal in WhatsApp is for business. So how do I automate my business goal so that messages that I can send to customers once they receive it, they can immediately start buying or making orders without me. But that is the goal where you can, even though you are sleeping, someone can buy your market and pay for goods at a go. Okay. So WhatsApp helps us to do this through three automation messages. Let's go there. I also point out the mistake that most of us make in automating these messages, okay? And the mistake that we should avoid so that this message will actually serve their purpose, serve the goal of those messages. So let's go to tools. If you remember, these are dashboard. For the dashboard, you see your chart, your course, your updates. Then we go to tools. Click on tools. So right there on tools, real result from us. We are not going there. Let's scroll. Let's keep scrolling. Meta verify. We've learned that. Catalog. We are through with that. Advertise and manage ads is the last one, but this one is a paid course. So we're not going to teach this one here. Okay. Labels. If you've been to our class, you've learned labels. So what other automation do we have? Talking about greeting messages, away messages, and quick replies. That is what we want to discuss about right now. Now let's start with the first one, greeting messages. What is the goal of greeting messages? Many people actually misunderstand this, okay? Greeting message, just like when somebody is entering your shop, you should be able to greet the person warmly at the same time let the person know what you want to buy in your shop. So that's how it is. Or you're either your shop or your office. Okay. This time around too on your WhatsApp. Remember, you have a shops on WhatsApp. We've already created a catalog where you are selling goods and services. So your greeting messages should not just be like, I'm not around now. We'll pick your order or we'll do this when we are back. No. What we are seeing there is just a default setting that WhatsApp gives you. Okay. So you are the one that will go ahead and bring in the message that when customers see it, it can motivate them to buy, not just what WhatsApp says. So without wasting time, let's go ahead. First of all, you have to toggle this on. Then once it's on, you come to this pencil icon. Look at the pencil icon, that creating message. You click on the pencil icon. And the moment you do that, what do you see? You say, thank you for contacting Seven Team. Please let us know how we can help you. Rubbish. What is this? Are you passing any message here? No. But here, you should be able to first of all welcome the person to your page, then let the person know who you are, what you do, and how they can get access to your product. So greeting message should serve three purposes. One, welcome. Two, who we are. Not who you are as a person, but with respect to your what you are selling. Who we are. Then the third one should be what we sell and how you can get it. Imagine message like this. Oh, welcome to Seven Team. Here we are into digital marketing and physical product. Make your order right away and we attend to you in a jiffy. Do not waste time. What do you want us to give you right now? With this information, you've told the person, you've greeted the person, you've told him who you are, and you've also told him that they can actually make order right away. Because the goal of being a WhatsApp business is to market, okay? If you don't want to be marketing your product, then you have your personal WhatsApp, which is your other WhatsApp. So anything WhatsApp business is mainly for business. So try your best to incorporate these three things each time you want to write your greeting message. I also have a tool that can help you, and that is Meta AI. If you check your normal WhatsApp, you see Meta AI. Ask him to code you a very greeting message that will include your product and how customer can actually buy your product right away. And also let your customer know that you will give them in a jiffy once they make an order. Okay. So Meta AI will help you to draft something great. It will create something for you that you will like. Okay. If you don't have to do it, you can also reach out to us. We'll help you to make your greeting message in such a way that it can increase your productivity, it can increase your business, can increase your business growth, because that is the goal. Greeting message is not like a way message. Always try to differentiate greeting message from a way message. Okay. So having said this is exactly how you can automate your greeting message. Don't forget, include your product, what your product can do, and how customers can get your product. And don't forget to them to make an order right away, and you will attend to them in a jiffy. So once you are through with that, you click OK. Okay. Once you click OK, the message is live. Then you click on save. Look at save button here. Once you're through, that means the greeting message is automated and will do its work accordingly. So this is how you work with greeting message. Same principle apply to away message. Okay, let us go to away message. Let me also show you. If I come over to the next one, it's away messages. I click on it. Let's see what WhatsApp will tell us. As usual, toggle it on, then click on the pencil icon, and it says thank you for message. We are unavailable right now, but we'll respond as soon as possible. This is rubbish. This is not what you should tell them. Let them know that thank you for attending. Well, just, oh, great that you are here. What product do you want us to give you? Make your order right away, and we attend to you in a jiffy. Or I'm not available right now, but you can place your order. Once we get to order, we'll make fulfillment. So just anything that can let people know that you are still selling product. Because see, let me tell you, once you're on WhatsApp, even if you are sleeping, if you code these messages automation very well, automated messages very well, even while sleeping, you can actually make business. Somebody can make an order before you wake up. You can place it, you can sell it. And if you say an online order, the person can click, go straight to online and make payment without you. So there's no point in the person that you are not available or you are available. No. Though it's good to include it, I'm not available right now, but please go ahead and make your order. So let the people know that your business can stand even without you being there. So if you're able to also automate this, once you're through, you click OK and you click on save. And don't also forget the same process. You can ask Meta AI, you can ask ChatGPT. We have a lot of tools right now, a lot of prompts that you can give to this AI, and they will give you exactly what you want. Okay. As for the last one, which is